How do you make your chickens start laying more eggs? And if they used to lay and stopped, how do you make them start again? Normally, chickens should start laying from 18th week, but you'll find there are some which may take over 7 or even 8 months without laying. This is a huge loss to farmers, and especially the commercial farmers, the farmers who are doing layers farming. If you have birds which have stayed long without laying, it's a loss. But in this video, there are 5 ways that you can manage to make your chickens start laying more eggs. The first one is the most important of all. But before then, ensure that you like this page, ensure that you follow, ensure that you visit our website farmworks.co.ke for more guidance, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and like. This is the only way that you can support us and help us to reach as many farmers as possible. The fifth one is deworming your birds. Most farmers forget to deworm their chickens. Worms are known to lower the layering ability of most chickens, so ensure that you deworm. The fourth one is debugging. This is the application of insecticides to get rid of all mites that may be on their body or in their houses. Mites suck blood from the birds, and in extreme cases they may even kill them. So ensure that you have debugged your birds and their houses. The third one is reduce stress. Cows in stressed environment, either rowdy environment, very cold, or have stress from change of feeds, may end up stop rain. So ensure that your birds are at low stress or at minimal stress. The second way to make your chickens lay more egg is supplementing their feeds with calcium. Calcium is the one that is responsible for the formation of strong egg shells, and also it helps in enabling the birds to lay more eggs. Deficient of calcium may cause lameness or eggs with weak shells. Now, the top on the list is high quality feeds with crude protein of 18%. I know currently in Kenya it's hard to get high quality feeds, but do you know that you can make your own high quality feeds back at home, which you can feed your chicken and get more eggs? Now, to learn how to make these high quality feeds, ensure that you get in touch with us and we shall train you how to make these quality feeds at home. Let us also know, how do you make your chickens lay more eggs?